Hello guys, this is my beautiful greenhouse. All vegetables are mixed vegetables. Look, this is lauki, everybody know. It's vegetable. It's locally called lauki. And this one's dale kursani. It means local name, but chili. It's very hot. Yeah, when you eat. All are vegetables, and there are new vegetables. It's Italian chili, vegetables, and okay. It's dalle kharsani. It's round circle. It's all people know. Sikkim chili. It's famously dalle kharsani. And other ones is new pumpkin. Pumpkin. Other vegetables here. It's all are chili, Sikkim chili. It's good price in market. They are all are capsicum. Okay.